Wherever you are, I hope you are doing well. Natural disasters on the event channel, you are welcome. Catastrophic hailstorm and floods caught on camera in Germany, shocking footage. Europe is reeling as extreme weather strikes Germany with full force. Witness terrifying scenes as 4-inch hailstones and massive floods devastate cities like Duisburg and Bruchsal. Powerful winds uproot trees, causing widespread chaos and forcing mass evacuations. In Bruchsal, historic floods turned streets into rivers, sweeping cars away in a torrent of water. Between 6 p.m. and 10 p.m., an astonishing 91 liters of rain per square meter fell, marking one of the most intense downpours in Baden-Württemberg's history. The German Rescue Society worked tirelessly throughout the night, conducting dramatic rescues as emergency crews braved the submerged streets to evacuate residents. The week began with a scorching heat wave, only to be followed by violent storms that unleashed havoc across North Rhine-Westphalia, Lower Saxony, and Baden-Württemberg. This is a natural disaster you won't believe.
Das Wasser ist nicht mehr normal. Schaut, hier wird alles weggespült.
Stay informed with more breaking news by subscribing to the event channel. Don't miss our daily videos covering the most shocking natural disasters. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.